Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Dad.
And this is Ben and Dad Try It.
Yay! Europe edition.
And today we have a collective amount of items from Europe because Dad recently went to Europe and got some goodies for Ben and Dad Try It.
Yes, when I was in Europe, I found a few things, some of which were from Europe, some were not. We've got this Pepsi Blue, Pepsi Electric, I guess, which is from Europe. We have Cheetos ham and cheese, Doritos, pure paprika, and two kinds of Chinese Oreos that I found at a store there. And additionally, we will be cutting to a live broadcast when we visit Taco Bell for the gelato that comes out today. So, where should we start? Alright, today we are at the Taco Bell, and we're here because today only each store got 200 and some Mountain Dew
Ice
Baja
cream.
Blast Gelato. And we got two of them. We each got one for Ben and Dad. Try it. So this is just a few of them that are available in the entire country.
So we got lucky.
There.
We got quite lucky.
3.6 ounces. Little bitty thing. Super cute. Let's try Baja Blast Gelato.
If the lid comes off. Yeah. Oh.
Ooh.
The spoon is in fact in the lid.
Let's see it. Ooh.
Very effective
Comes on the
looking.
bottom of the lid.
Whoa. Oh, it's green.
Oh, yum. Ugh. I'm doing that one hand.
Tastes weird, but you look at. Oh, this is frozen.
The nice thing is they kept them behind the counter for us rather than leaving them out. The bad thing is
This is actually pretty good.
it's solid.
It tastes. Gives me like a popsicle feeling because of the comes with some.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like Baja Blast.
Yeah. Of course, I like the non-frozen kind, partially for the bubbles, which is a little missing here. But
Oh,
the flavor's really nice. It's probably a little better than the slushy version.
yeah.
Definitely tastes like Baja Blast. And
I'd give it a 4.5.
yeah, I'd give this a
Whoa.
Oh.
What would you give it?
I'm gonna give this a 4.
4.
It's super good. I wish they would have them all the time, but each of these tiny little things, $4.40. So, not something I would probably be able to buy too frequently, but for what it is, it's very nice. And we were the first to try it here.
Back to Ben and Dad Try It. Let's start with this.
Pepsi Electric. You're killing all the carbonation. Ooh.
It had enough. Smells nice. Smell that.
Smells like light cola flavor. Hooray! Alright, Pepsi Electric. Which one's mine?
Any.
So yeah, it smells cola-ish. like a light cola smell, not like super strong like a Coca-Cola.
Oh.
Okay, well the first thing to note, there's no high fructose corn syrup in soda in Europe, and half of the sugar that's left is
feels
fake
like
sugar.
dye. It
Yeah.
tastes like fake dye.
So there's a lot of artificial sweetener in here. Yeah, it does. You can taste the dye a lot. There's way too much blue, which is kind of surprising. It doesn't. It tastes like.
It tastes like a certain type of bubble gum, I feel like.
Yeah, it's like carbonated bubblegum flavor. That's probably the best way to say it. It's like Sprite, but with some kind of flavoring, and maybe bubblegum is the thing.
Well,
I don't know why it's under the Pepsi label, because it has nothing to do with Pepsi. But maybe that's just because it's the only Pepsi product that's available over there. I don't know.
I'll give it a 2.
Yeah, I'm going to give that a 2 as well.
Oh, Pepsi Electric. Next up, we've got
Doritos.
Pure Paprika flavor.
The funny thing is, we got these in Holland, and at the store there's a whole section of chips just with paprika flavor. Doritos, Lay's, everything you can imagine, but with paprika. And I asked about it, and they said it's a light but popular flavor that's in most of the products. So
It smells like a Dorito with a nut.
a nut.
Yeah. Like
Yeah, it
what a
smells
nut
just
smells like.
generic seasoning.
Tastes like a sweet Dorito, kind of.
Yeah, paprika is a bell pepper, red bell pepper that's dried. But this captures the sweetness of it. There's no like spicy punch or anything. It's all just plain.
I'm not getting much of the cheddar cheese from the original Dorito.
I don't think there is any.
Hmm.
Just paprika.
What?
So yeah, it's a unique flavor to us because we're not used to just having paprika flavored stuff.
I've never had paprika, I don't think.
But I don't know, it's not a strong enough flavor that I would be like, I want these all the time.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very light flavored chip. But I
I'll give
like
it
it.
a
I'd give it 3.
4. Pretty good.
Yeah, I can eat these. And I will. In my lunch.
Next up we have Cheetos ham and cheese flavor.
Ham and cheese. Well, I'm surprised that there are whole ones left because of the amount of crunching that happened in the luggage, but
Oh, it smells like
they smell nice.
it smells like those little snacks where there's like those crackers and then the ham and then the
Lunchables.
cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, it
Smells
smells
like
like
a
a
Lunchable.
Lunchables when you open it.
Mmm. Taste.
That's nice.
It's like a light ham flavor.
Super light ham.
But
the
you
cheese
can really
is
get the
also
cheese.
light. To me, the cheese is light too. So I can see these being popular here. I'm surprised they're not. But yeah, they're supposed to be a ham and cheese flavored. Oh, that one was cheesier.
Yeah,
I got a
that's
cheesier one that time. So yeah, it's just like on all the chips. They're not exactly dispersed evenly, but I would totally eat these. I'm going to give this a 5.
Yeah, I'll give it a 4.5.
Super good.
I'll probably be having those. Next up is whatever this says. One moment.
Oreo, crystal grape, and peach flavor.
Ooh.
So I found this in a little store in a mall, and I think it was in Spain, but clearly they're from China, so.
What is that weird bird noise?
The funny thing says it was imported from the Netherlands, so anyway, it's a product of China. But Fruity flavored Oreos, I don't know that I've had much experience with them, so we'll see how it goes.
There's 2 little pieces. And we're back.
Applejack does not make a good prop manager. Alright, so.
Shame on you.
Alright, here you go. So it's cool that there's 2 little packs in the box.
Whoa, that's a very strong scent.
Oh wow, it smells like candy.
Yeah, it smells like a pink peach.
Mm-hmm. So it does have the half and half cream in the middle. You can definitely see the peach versus the crystal grape. I kind of want to taste them individually first. Light peach.
Not getting much peach. It's just like paste.
The grape. Ooh, it's a little sour. Okay.
Yeah, it tastes like grape. I get almost 0 peach. And then the chocolate from the Oreo.
Yeah.
But it doesn't taste that good. It tastes kind of strong, like a scent.
It's super strong. And because it's like a fake grape flavor throughout, it really pushes against that chocolate in not a pleasant way. Yeah, I can see why we don't have too many fruit flavored Oreos here, but I'm gonna give that a 2.
I'll give it a 3. Not bad, but I don't think I'll go to the store and buy one of those.
Well, you'll never find them. Crystal, peach, crystal grape, and peach. Okay, what are these?
I can open never back. Here's one for you. That's horrible.
Okay, so anyway, this one says Galleta Arendano Frambuesa.
What does that say?
So it's the Frambuesa and Arendano.
I'm getting a
So anyway, it's blueberry and raspberry.
I'm getting a faint blueberry smell. It kind of, you know those like protein bars that are like blueberry flavored? It reminds me a lot of that. Very soft.
Yeah. Anyway, this one's better than the last one. It's not as punchy as a flavor.
Yeah, not as strong. You can barely like pick out what the scent is.
So it's a light fruit flavor.
If I ever ate this, I wouldn't think right away, oh, that's blueberry.
Yeah, I think you get the raspberry a little more than the blueberry. I don't know. It's not nearly as bad just because it's not as strong. So
I
this
still
one might
like
be
it.
okay.
I'll give it a 4.
I can give it a 3.
Well,
Oreo. Oh.
oh, Oreo.
All right.
Oh, parts.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Nom, 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 nom.